Thutha wa mwiri wa Baba Mutheru Francis gukorwo kirorero ni muingi kanitha-ini wa St Peter's Basilica kuma muthenya wa gatatu, riu ihinda ria kwirorerwo kwa mwiri uyu nirikinyite muthia, kuria ithanduku riria riri na mwiri wake ririkitie kuhingwo rietereire mathiko make muthenya wa ruciu. Rucini rwa umuthi makadino 149 aria marikitie gwikinyia muciri munene wa Vatican ni matabanirie mucemanio wa mahoya wa mathaa matatu kuria murugamiri wa ukinyaniria wa wabici-ini theru ya Holy See Matteo Bruni atariria ati kiama kinene gia gucira gia synod na kiria kiumbitwo ni makadino ni kirikitie kuiguithaniria maundu 33. Guku mucini munene wa Nairobi etikia ni manyitanire igongona-ini ria kiririkano kia Baba Mutheru kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica. Igongona-ini riria ritongoretio ni murugamiri wa Baba Mutheru guku bururi-ini niwe Archbishop Matteo Maria Van Megen, unyitaniri na muthikabu munene wa Nairobi Philip Anyolo, Cardinal John Njue gatagati-ini kangi.
He identified till the end with the voiceless, with those who are trampled upon, with those who apparently have no rights, with those who are rejected, with those who are not able to speak out, that we speak out for them, that we defend them.
Hindi igongona riri Baba Mutheru Francis ahota ngoro cia aingi akigathiririo ta Baba Mutheru wa mwanya na urendete aingi makiria kumana na ciiko ciake cia tha na gutuika mugambo wa theni na aria matari na hinya.
His enduring legacy is a clarion call for each one of us to uphold the values of mercy, justice and peace in our daily lives.
He was able to extend beyond his religion. He was able to see us all as humanity. He didn't pick and choose.
Ona atongoria mekinyia na uingi matongoretio ni president wa hau kabere Uhuru Kenyatta uria wacemanirie na Baba Mutheru mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka wa 2015 riria ricira-ini guku bururi-ini agitariria githomo kinene kiria athomire na makiria kigie menyihia.
So we were sitting in my office with His Holiness. Somebody had really requested that they would like a moment with His Holiness. I didn't know how to put this because anyway, I decided I was going to put the message across. He said, oh, no problem. So I invited the person over to my office, and His Holiness turned and looked at me and told me, I thought you said he wanted to talk to me. So for the first time as president, another head of state threw me out of my own office, which I found to be quite incredible.
Baba Mutheru Francis akonekania igita kionereria kingihuthika kwigerekania makiria ni andu othe anene na nini makiria hari kwaga kwikirira na kwitugiria mahinda mothe akioneka ta mundu ratugagiria thayu wendani na urumwe nginyagia kuri andu aria matari a dini ya Gikristiano.
The legacy that our Pope has left and the scenes that he planted, scenes of love, championing justice, seeking peace, traversing the entire globe.
Thutha wa igongona ria kuririkana Baba Mutheru Francis, mwiri wake ukahurukio kanitha-ini wa St Mary's Major Basilica mucii-ini munene wa Vatican, aingi makimuririkana ta mundu urerutagira gutuika mugambo wa aria matari na hinya. Andu ni Kameme TV kuma kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica guku Nairobi. Rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.